Hi friends, welcome back to my videos. So this video series is about the greenery hat, but I'm calling it the greenery blanket. We're transforming this hat into a blanket. We're on round 3. If you do photos on Instagram, please tag me at the Ellen Gormley, and also use the hashtag Greenery Blanket, Greenery blanket, all one word. Okay, so we're on round 3. Did you guess that this was the color I was going to do next? So after I get started with maybe 5 or 6 rounds, I'm going to start letting you vote on which color to use next. The colors that are available are these Love Crafts paint box colors. All of these yarns are available. And also the Knit Picks Brava colors. All of these colors are available. I'm okay with mixing them all together. If you need yarn, check the links in the description below. It's not sponsored, but I do get an affiliate. Okay, so on round 3, we're going to join with a single crochet in a single crochet. So I'm going to find a single crochet on round. Oh, Theo just jumped up here on the table and shook everything. Hey, Theo. So we are going to join with a single crochet in any single crochet. Theo, you're blocking my light, buddy. Okay. Then we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to skip 1 front post double crochet stitch and single crochet in the next single crochet. You can work over the tails if you want. There's a tail. Should I crochet over that? Okay, so this is what we're doing for round 3. So remember, once I get the first couple of rounds done, you can start voting. And at 25 votes, I will take the vote and decide if I have enough yarn to choose the color that you guys have chosen for me to do the next round's video. If I get less than 25 votes voting on the next color, I'll know that you guys have lost interest and you don't want me to continue, and then I'll just pause until we get 25 votes. Also, the goal is to have this be a completed blanket. 3, 4, 5, skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next single crochet. Have this completed by the gift-giving holiday season of this fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knowing that Hanukkah happens to be very early this year. It's November 28th. This is the year 2021, so it is the earliest Hanukkah could ever be. So we might be a little bit pressed for time, but if for you people who are wanting to make these for holiday Christmas gifts or any other occasion, you should hopefully have plenty of time, 4 or 5. But that is our goal, to hit the holiday gift giving season. Remember, if you didn't hear me in the last video, the round 2 video, I don't know if you did or not, once we get the circle to the width of our shoulders, if you're interested in me turning it into a circle jacket for some of you and showing you that process, let me know in the comments below and I will talk about that for you at that time. So it's not really a design along so much as it's a color choose along. If you come up with a better word, please let me know. But for now, my whole point is to have a very relaxing and valuable use of our time and valuable use of our stash in creating a multicolored kaleidoscope out of stash yarns, because I know you have a lot of stash, I know I have a lot of stash, and I know you guys love colorful projects. So here we are ending round 3. We did a chain 5 and a single crochet in each single crochet all the way around. And now that we have completed our round, we're going to slip stitch in the first single crochet. The greenery hat has a video for it, and the link is in the description below. But now it's time for righties to click in the upper right hand corner to go to round 4 of this project, and lefties to click in the upper left hand corner of this screen to go to round 4 for the lefties. So I'm fastening off and cutting it, and let's go to round 4. See you next one.